Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I'm here today to talk to you about the new hairdryer that I got. Here it is. It's the InfinitiPro by Conair, and it's the rainbow version. And the reason I'm making this video is when I was trying to figure out which hairdryer to get, I didn't see any videos on this one. And I was kind of disappointed, and I thought, well, it's very popular and it's got a very high rating, so why not go ahead and do a video for you guys. It's got powerful AC motor that delivers powerful airflow for up to 50% faster drying time and 3 times longer drying life. The Ion Choice provides customized styling for all hair types and textures. Ceramic technology provides infrared heat, uniform heat for fast drying and less damage. True cold shot button locks in curls, waves, and style. Rocker switches have 3 heats and 2 speeds, provide custom settings for different hair types. And it's got a removable filter that prevents lint buildup and extending motor life. This also comes with 2 attachments. Here is the blow dryer. I'll show you the attachments here. Now this is a hair dryer. Everywhere I've looked, it's $50. And that's part of why I was waiting to buy it. Is I keep my eyes on the sales, and there happened to be a sale at Target. It's the only time I've ever seen them on sale, so I jumped right on it. I don't know if they still are or not, but if you're interested in getting one, you might want to go take a look and see if they're still on sale at Target. The 2 different pieces are this is the concentrator, and you use this when you want to really concentrate the heat on a certain area. So I'm going to use this when I dry my hair so you can see what I do with it. And then the other one is the diffuser. The diffuser, I'll show you what it looks like on here. This is what it looks like on the hairdryer. When you use these attachments is if you want wavy or curly hair, you use this to get your hair dried faster. And it also, the shape and everything on here, it makes it to where your hair doesn't have as much frizz. So it does give you a nice option if you have wavy or curly hair and you want to have your hair dry in a quick amount of time. But since I don't go for the wavy look anymore, it's really not something that I use. So obviously I just got out of the shower. And what I've been using on my hair is this Hask Argan oil. It strengthens and shines and fortifies. It's a repairing shine hair oil. And I really like this stuff. I just put like 1.5 sprays on the palm of my hand. And I put it in my hair from the ears down. And this is the same stuff that my hairstylist uses, same brand and everything. And of course, she's honest with me. She says, don't buy this here, go online and buy it. She was right. It was way more. I think it was like $20 more in the store than it was online. So I'm glad I listened to her on that. I like to use these brushes when I get out of the shower. I find it does a nice job of massaging my scalp. And I find it's much better at getting tangles out than other brushes are. Now you can get these at a hair salon or you can get them at a drugstore or wherever. I found the best price for these is at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Because who cares what brand they are? It's just a brush, right? Then I use this Chi 44 Iron Guard in my hair. It's a thermal protection spray. This way my hair doesn't get all beat up from the hair dryer. Now if you don't like the stronger perfume scents, I wouldn't get the Chi 44 because it does have a real strong hair styling scent to it. You know, like if you go into like a high-end styling salon, the way they smell in there, that's what it smells like. I mean, it smells good, but it is definitely strong. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, I would not recommend it. Then I have this brush here This is a Glamsquad brush. I think it's ceramic. I can't remember, but it's a medium-sized round brush. And I got that at CVS. They were having a clearance on them. I think they were just getting rid of them to put new colors in for the next season. It was right after Christmas. And so I think I spent $5 on it instead of, I think it was 15 or 20 normally. I just feel like just because I like something and just because I want it doesn't mean that I have to spend full price on it. Okay, so here's the side of the hairdryer. You see all these buttons on here. You've got the on-off switch for the ionizer. You've got hot, warm, and cool here in the middle. And then you have off, low, and high. And then right up here is the cold shot button. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair so you can see how I use this and how fast it dries my hair. I haven't decided if I'm going to speed this up and put music on. If I do, I'll tell you exactly, I'll look at the time and I'll tell you exactly how long it took to dry my hair. In fact, that's probably what I'll do, just so you don't get bored. Okay. And by the way, this is not the first time I've used it. This thing is kind of like a jet-propelled hairdryer. Like it's got some power behind it. And it does dry my hair really fast. The last time I dried my hair, I timed it and it said 12 minutes. Which is much better than the 20 plus minutes I was spending. Also, one other thing I want to mention. With other hair dryers, I feel like I'm in a sauna, and by the time I'm done drying my hair, I'm drenched in sweat. Which really isn't fun when I'm about to put makeup on. And it's hard because if I'm sweating that bad, I feel like my hair is not going to stay dry. So it's just like this whole drama fest that I don't really feel like dealing with. And I'm so excited because when I have used this so far, I have not been sweating. I'm not getting hot. It's like, it's kind of crazy. It dries my hair really fast without overheating me. I'm in love. have it. My hair is done. This is the InfinitiPro in Rainbow. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. But here's how it looks. It's nice and pretty and bouncy. I love it. Here's the back. It feels nice and soft too. That's one thing I love about this hair dryer is my hair feels so soft and it's very shiny. And I just like that. It's not, it doesn't feel really, it doesn't feel frizzy. And that's what I'm looking for, because other hair dryers, my hair feels so frizzy. It doesn't feel soft. It's not bouncy. And it's kind of shiny, but not really. Whereas with this, it feels so, look at how shiny my hair is. It's like kind of next level. And I love it. And here's my hair just under different light in case you want to see how it looks under. In fact, let me see. Go like this. You can see it in natural light. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.